Welcome to my channel. Hi. In order to help you speak basic English, we have collected Urdu to English sentences for daily use. After learning these English sentences with Urdu translation, you will be able to speak English on different occasions. So let's get started. Easy English practice. Wake me up at 5 o'clock.
मुझे 5 बजे जग्गा देना।
Wake me up at 5 o'clock. She is peeping through the window.
वो खिड़की से झांक रही है।
She is peeping through the window. A thing is valued where it belongs.
जंगल में मोती की कदर नहीं होती।
A thing is valued where it belongs. Where there is a will, there is way.
जहाँ चा वहाँ रा।
Where there is a will, there is way. The thief was caught red-handed.
चोर रंगे हाथों पकड़ा गया।
The thief was caught red-handed. Many a man suffered at his hands.
इसके हाथों कई लोगों ने दुख उठाया।
Many a man suffered at his hands. Don't shirk work.
काम से जी मत चुराओ।
Don't shirk work. He has enough money.
इसके पास काफी पैसा है।
He has enough money. Really? I don't believe it.
वाकई मुझे यकीन नहीं आता।
Really? I don't believe it. Fie. Upon him.
इस पर सद अफसोस।
Fie. Upon him. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.